This is onboarding form for DSTs to register as a domain assessor. Click on Domain Assessor Registration. You can see demographic details. Select course. Select date of empanelment. Fill valid for years. Select grade. Fill assessor certificate number. Upload assessor certificate. If you want to add request for another course, select Add Row and fill details. Click on Submit. User Management by SCR. User Management by DNCR. Upon approval by DNCR, assessor role is automatically assigned.